surveying and its uses. This video deals with the introduction to surveying and various uses of surveying. Generally, before start of any engineering works, a topographical plan or map, with horizontal and vertical measurements are required. These maps are created using the concept termed as surveying. Surveying is the art of determining the relative positions of points on, above or beneath the surface of the earth. It is generally done by the means of direct or indirect measurements of distance, direction, and elevation. Surveying also includes establishing points by predetermined linear and angular measurements. Leveling is the branch of surveying, which is used in determining relative elevation of an object with respect to datum line, and to establish the points at a given elevation, or at different elevations with respect to a given, or assumed datum. Let us now discuss uses of surveying. Surveying is used in preparing a topographical map which represents hills, valleys, villages, towns, forests, etc. It is also used in preparing an engineering maps which shows the details of engineering works, such as roads, railways, reservoirs, irrigation canals, etc. It is used in preparing a cadastral map which shows the boundaries of fields, houses and other properties. It is used in preparing the military map, which shows the roads, railways and communications with different parts of a country. It is used in preparing a contour map to determine the capacity of a reservoir, which also helps to find best possible transportation routes. It is used in preparing a geological map showing areas of natural resources. It is also used in preparing an archaeological map showing ancient places, and much more, which will be dealt in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Kindly do like, comment, subscribe and share the video.